Hello guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a menu in your Shopify store. Okay, let's go to the video. Here I have already logged into my Shopify dashboard. Okay, now click on Content. Then go to Menus. Here you can find your all menus. So you can see main menu, footer menu and customer account main menu. Also here you can find what are the menu items. Okay, if you go to the main menu, click on main menu, then you can see here menu name and menu items. So if you want to add another pages or another items under this main menu, click on add menu items. Then you can type your label name here. Let's type about us. Then you can see here link, click on this area. Then you can select home page, search item or your collections, products or pages, whatever the items add under this name. So if you want to add pages, click on pages. So you can find your all pages here. So if you want to add about us page, just click on it. Then click on this correct icon. Now you add about us page under menu items. So click on save. So if you go to the website, let's refresh. Here you can see about us. Also, if you want to create a drop down menu, you can do it like this. Just click on these dots and drag to right side. So you can see catalog and contact is under catalog. So click on save. If you go to the website, here you can see drop down menu contact under catalog. Also, if you go back, so if you want to create a custom menu, you can create it like this. Click on create menu. Then you can type your menu name. Also, you can add menu items here. Click on add menu item, then type name. You can select items here. I'm doing this just to show you. Then new menu 2. Then click on save. Okay, now we created our new menu. Here you can see new menu. Now let's see how to add this new menu to our main menu. Let's see how to change this menu. To do that, go to Shopify dashboard, then click on online store, then click on customize. Okay, this is the editing view of the Shopify store. Here you can see header section, so click on header section. Then here you can see header, under header you can see menu. So click on this area, then click on replace. Now you can select what is the menu you want to show in header. So if you select new menu, this is the one we created. Then click on save. Now let's go to website and refresh it. Here you can see new menu items. This is how you can create menu in your Shopify store. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thumbs up, comment below and hit the subscribe button.